Hey guys, wow, I know I'm a few days late and 2 videos behind, but I want to try to squeeze in both of them the last about day and a half I got here for my work week starts. This is the Element Enduro kit that I put together. I have not bought a body for it yet. This is one of my running projects. I actually did buy a body for it. Just in case you guys buy this, I actually bought one of these, I believe, from eBay. I think it was Enduro. Is that how you say that? Enduro? I absolutely love this body. But this body will not go on that chassis. It's too narrow for starters. And all this stuff in the middle. I even cut the whole centerpiece out and still could not get it to work. So I guess I'm going to have to settle for a Lexan body or try to figure out something. If any of you guys have this chassis and have a hard body on it, please let me know which hard body works on it. So I can stop spending $70 to $100, you know, hitting and missing it. But yeah, let's see. We got the Pro Line shocks on here, the dual rates. I forget what these are called. But these are the dual rates for the crawlers, unlike the dual rates for like the slashes right here. I had those right there on there, and just never liked the way that they felt on there. I have some of those on another truck of mine and love them, but for some reason on this one they didn't. I tried these Pro Line ones on here and absolutely immediately knew that that was them. I mean, the flex on this thing is just ridiculous. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy how much flex this has. As usual, I'm running a HobbyWing AXE system. This is the 2800 kV version. And let's see, Savox Monster. I was going to see if that part number was listed on there. If any of you guys want it, it'll be on the description. SB2262SG. Expensive servo, guys. Expensive servo. The wheels, methods. I forget who made those. I'll have that in the description too. But yeah, guys, this thing is just something I had thrown together. Just going to put a body on it for a shelf queen, and have not been able to find a body for it yet. Not a hard body anyway. JConcepts, Landmines. These are my favorite crawler tires. Absolutely love these things. I actually took these off as something else. You can see how dirty they are compared to this truck, which has never left the carpet of the house. But yeah, guys, just wanted to shoot another video, kind of finish getting another one of my 30+ cars in the books, and start telling some stories on these things. So this will be the first video for this one. I actually filmed like a 3-hour video on the K5 Blazer yesterday, and realized that that was not going to be near long enough for that particular video, so I'm going to have to figure out what to do with that video. I was installing an interior and stuff on it, and because I had modified all the electronics and some other stuff on the Blazer, it ended up being a nightmare, and a lot more work than I intended it to be. But yeah, guys, yeah, like I said, the flex on this thing is crazy. Not that that is really matters. I mean, out in the real world, it does to a point, but most of that's just, most of the flex is just a flex. But, yeah, guys. Element Enduro, and this was the kit version. Alright, guys, see you on the next one.